doesn't love riffing, right? But most of us know that riffing is a whole lot more difficult than it looks. So today I want to teach you the very first riff that I learned within a song to help you understand how to break down a riff and replicate it yourself really quickly. Hi singers, it's Lara from VoxTape Studios, where we help singers reach their full potential through private training, group classes, and online singing courses. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not a natural riffer. It's always something that I had to work on and didn't come easily to me. It's still something that I have to work on depending on the riff that I'm trying to replicate or that I'm trying to create myself. But luckily, just like with pretty much anything in life, you can learn how to do it even if it doesn't come naturally to you. And I want to show you how to do that in today's pop song exercise. The very first riff that I learned in a song was Choose You by Sara Bareilles. The entire chorus is basically one big riff, or actually multiple little riffs combined into one big thing. And today I want to show you a pop song exercise that I created to break down the riff in all these individual little notes so that you know exactly what the notes are that you have to sing, and then do the riff as well at the right after. It's so important to know what exactly the notes are that you're trying to replicate before you try and go sing the actual exercise. If you don't know the notes, there's no way for you to replicate it. And so the first half of the exercise is breaking down the riff. The second half of the exercise is actually doing the riff. So let's have a look at how the exercise goes. 1, 2, 3. These E's, those are slashes or pulses. You're basically restarting the same note every time. And the ha 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 is here to help you remember to engage your core. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the first half of the riff, just broken down into numbers to make it easy to replicate the notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1. And again, that's the second half of the riff, also broken down into numbers. It's just a little bit longer, but when you're doing it with numbers, it seems a whole lot easier than it actually is. And now the second half of this exercise is actually singing the chorus as it is. I will become yours and you will become mine. I choose you. I choose. There are also some really cool vocal flips in there as well that you can do on that last part of the riff as well. It is up to you. We want to focus on the notes rather than how we're singing it. We just want to get all those notes out and make sure they're nice and individual notes and not slurry and scoopy. This is the original tempo of the song. If this is too fast for you right now, click on the little settings wheel below this video and click on playback speed, and then make the video slower as you're practicing. And the better you get, the faster you can make the playback speed of this video until you are at the actual tempo, okay? So if this is too fast for right now, just slow it down. All right, let's do the exercise. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1. I will become yours and you will become mine. I choose you. I know this is incredibly fast. When I first learned how to do this riff, I did not start at this tempo, okay? So please, please, please adjust the playback speed of this video, slow it down, and then slowly speed your way up to the actual tempo of this song and this riff and this exercise. But you gotta start slow, okay? Because hitting all these individual little notes is so much more important than the speed. Because if you're not slowing it down and you're just trying to go for it, then everything will sound mushy and not clear and clean. And then it's not really a riff anymore. It's just, it's not gonna sound good, okay? So slow it down. As always, if you would like to get more hands-on training for your specific voice to get better faster, go ahead and schedule a trial lesson through the link below with one of our amazing coaches here at VoxTape Studios. They will be able to help you take your voice so much further than you ever could have imagined, and also a whole lot quicker. Check out these videos next for some more vocal exercises, and don't forget to like and subscribe if this exercise was helpful to you. Thank you so much for practicing with me, and I will see you in the next one.